We're going to show you how to add Face ID as a requirement to open an app on your iPhone. This extra layer of security ensures that only you can access your most sensitive apps. This feature is added on iOS 18, and it will help you keep your apps safer. Let's say you give somebody your phone to look at a photo, but you do not wish to see your messages. If the app is locked by Face ID, then when you open the Messages app, it will ask for Face ID. How can we do that? Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Find the app you want to lock with Face ID on your iPhone. Keep your finger on the icon. A menu will pop up. Tap on Require Face ID. You will have two options: Require Face ID and Hide, and Require Face ID. What are the differences between these two options? When you require a Face ID, then the app will simply ask your face to open it. It will remain on the home screen. When you choose Hide and Require Face ID, the app will be moved into a hidden folder on your app library. Choose what you want. Your phone will use your face to confirm the action, and your app will be locked with Face ID. You've successfully learned how to add Face ID as a requirement to open apps on your iPhone native settings. This added security measure helps protect your personal information and keeps your apps safe. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.